हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल राइट स्पीच ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे। Good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rahul Mehta and I welcome all of you to the World Environment Day celebration. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate World Environment Day. I want to say some important word on this important occasion for the environment of the earth, environmental protection, and only one earth for our life. I hope you like it and you will also try to apply my words in your life. We celebrate World Environment all over the world on 5th June every year. The main objective of celebrating World Environment Day is to protect our environment so that we and the coming generation can live life in a clean and safe environment. As we know that life in the whole universe is possible only in our planet Earth. Our earth gives us everything like water, food, oxygen, shelter, minerals, etc. Earth provides natural resources not only to us but to every living being on the earth. But we humans have started misusing natural resources for our comfort, due to which pollution is increasing day by day in the earth. Due to increasing water pollution, the balance of the earth is deteriorating. Due to increasing pollution, the life of us humans, animals, birds, and sea creatures has been endangered. In the view of the deteriorating environment of the earth, United States started the World Environment Day celebration so that we can be made aware of the environment. Also, a topic has been given: only one earth. Only one earth means that we have only one planet earth for life and we have to keep it safe for the future. To save our earth, the first of all, we have to make the earth pollution free. We have to avoid overuse and misuse of all natural resources to maintain the environment of our earth. To save the earth, we have to plant more and more trees. Apart from this, by saving water and electricity, we can also maintain the natural balance of the earth. That's why today, on this ceremony, I take a pledge that I will never overuse and misuse natural resources. I will strictly follow all the laws and measures made by the government to control all types of pollution and global warming from the environment. I will also make people aware for environmental protection. All of you are also needed in this endeavor of mine, and I hope that all of you will give my full cooperation in this noble work. Thank you so much. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम and wish you all the best for your future.